In this video, I'll compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, SpyFu and Pipiads. Now, whether you're doing dropshipping or Amazon FBA, using the right research tools to find the best products to sell and being able to learn from your competitors can be a complete game changer for your business. If you pick the wrong tool, then you're going to waste a lot of time and a lot of money. So watch this video all the way to the end so I can help you make the right decision, because I'm going to cover important information about each of these tools one at a time, like their product discovery features, supplier database, customer support, pricing and subscription, automation features, and so much more. I've included the links to both SpyFu and Pipiads in the description below so you can check them out. And let's get started. SpyFu doesn't directly offer product discovery features for dropshipping, but it has great insights for competitive keywords that you can use, and that can help you with your ad strategies and help you identify trending products or niches based on search traffic and advertising trends. Now, what about market analysis? SpyFu excels in market analysis from an SEO and PPC perspective. It provides comprehensive data on competitors' keyword strategies, organic and paid search results, and historical ad variations. This information is crucial for dropshippers that are trying to understand market trends, optimize their content and strategies, and to help them place ads effectively. What about integrations with platforms like Shopify and other dropshipping e-commerce platforms? Well, SpyFu mainly focuses on SEO and PPC, so it doesn't integrate directly with these e-commerce platforms for product management or listing, but dropshippers can utilize the insights that they get from SpyFu to enhance their listings and ads on the platforms, no matter what platform it is, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or anything else. And they will have to do this manually, though. There is no automatic integration. What about supplier database? Well, SpyFu is not specifically a dropshipping tool, so they don't offer a supplying database for different products for your business. What about pricing and profitability tools? Once again, they're not a dropshipping focused tool, so they don't actually offer direct pricing and profitability tools for dropshipping. But the keyword and ad cost data that you can get with SpyFu can help users estimate advertising expenses and gauge the competitiveness of pricing strategies in their niche. What about user interface and ease of use? Well, SpyFu offers a user-friendly interface that's straightforward and easy to navigate. New users can quickly learn to navigate throughout the tons of data that's available, and they also have lots of tutorials and other helpful information as well. Customer support and community is another place where SpyFu does really well. They have excellent customer support with options for contacting them via phone, email, as well as chat. They also offer a rich library of tutorials and a community forum where users can exchange strategies and insights. They also have a blog right here that you can see where you can get lots of information and strategies about keywords and SEO in general to help you in your business. So what about their pricing structure? Well, if we look at pricing right here, we can see they have 3 different plans. They can also offer monthly as well as annual subscriptions. And if you go annual, then you can save up to 30%. So it starts from the basic plan at $39 a month, goes up to the professional at $79 a month. And then the limited time offers in between are some of their most popular, which is you can actually get the basic plan for just $9 a month for a discount, as well as a pro plan, the professional here, for just $49 a month instead of $79. And so you can see everything that's included in all of these plans, and you can sign up right now using the link in the description if you want to try it out. Now, what about the automation features? Well, SpyFu provides detailed analytics and reporting on SEO and PPC campaigns, including keyword rankings, cost per click, and search volume. These insights are essential for optimizing your advertising and content strategies. Now, one thing that's unfortunate is that at the time that I'm recording this video, SpyFu does not actually offer a mobile app. So if you are planning on using your phone to get analytics analytics and research, then unfortunately they don't have an app that you can use. But what do users have to say? What's some of the feedback and reviews? Well, the general feedback for SpyFu is actually quite positive, especially regarding its depth of data on the competitors' search strategies. Users appreciate the actionable insights that help them refine their SEO and PPC efforts. Some users have noted that they would appreciate a more modern interface and faster data updates, but overall, it's still a great platform that can help you out a lot for research in your dropshipping business. Pipiads is particularly strong in identifying trends on TikTok, as you can probably tell based on their page right here. This is really useful and powerful for dropshippers that are looking to capitalize on viral trends. The platform provides detailed insights into which products are gaining traction through successful advertising campaigns, allowing users to discover potential bestsellers before they hit the mainstream market. So what about their market analysis? Market analysis with Pipiads is tightly integrated with TikTok's advertising landscape. It offers detailed analytics on ad performance, including viewer engagement, reach, and demographic information. This enables users to understand not just what products are popular, but why they're popular and how to position them effectively in their own marketing campaigns. But how does it integrate with other platforms? Well, Pipiads primarily serves as an ad spy tool, and it does not directly integrate with e-commerce platforms for product management or listing. However, the insights gained can be used to inform product selections and marketing strategies, no matter what platform you use, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or any other platform. As far as supplier database goes, Pipiads does not include a supplier database. Once again, it's not really focused on the day-to-day management of a dropshipping business. It focuses on the advertising side of it, so it provides insights rather than the full spectrum of dropshipping operations. Users will need to source their own suppliers or use another tool in conjunction with Pipiads if you want to manage your supply. As far as pricing and profitability tools that are offered, the tool doesn't actually traditionally offer pricing and profitability calculators. That's not really the goal of Pipiads, but you can infer the potential profit margins based on the performance and engagement metrics of your ads for similar products, so that can give you a rough idea of what the profits might look like. User interface and ease of use for Pipiads is generally considered pretty good. It's designed specifically for users that are interested in leveraging TikTok ads. The platform's layout makes it simple to find and analyze high-performing ads, and they also have lots of filters that you can use to narrow down your search results based on different criteria. What about the customer support and community? Well, customer support for Pipiads is available via email and live chat. Additionally, they also have a community where members can share their insights and strategies, especially for maximizing the your profitability and performance for your TikTok ads for dropshipping. But let's talk about their pricing, because I'm sure you're interested in that. As you can see, Pipiads offers a subscription model like a lot of other tools. So they have the monthly as well as annual plan. If you pay annually, you can save 30%. So if you're serious about using Pipiads for your dropshipping business, to run ads on TikTok, to analyze them and find trends, I would get the annual plan. You can save a lot of money. It's definitely worth it. And as you can see, they have the starter plan starting at $77 a month, and it goes all the way up to Pro at $263, and their most popular is actually the VIP, which is in between these two at $155 a month. As you can see, what's included in each of them, the number of ads per query goes up as you buy the more expensive plan, all the way up to 5,000. Everything pretty much goes up. With Pro, you actually get everything for not just one person, but for 5 people. So if you're running a bigger operation, Pro might be the better option for you. What about the automation features? Well, Pipiads doesn't offer automation in the traditional sense of dropshipping operations. It automates the process of discovering and tracking successful TikTok advertisements, which can save you a lot of time and effort if you're doing market research. For analytics and reporting, they excel in providing detailed information on TikTok ad campaigns, so I can help you find out which is successful and which is not, as well as the conversion potential. Unfortunately, Pipiads does not currently have a mobile app, so if you are planning on using something like this on your phone, then Pipiads is not the right platform for you. But if you're using your laptop anyway, your computer, then that doesn't matter. But what do users say? What's the feedback? What are the reviews like? Well, the general reception of Pipiads is that it's pretty good, especially if you're focused on TikTok ads, which is kind of niche. As you can see on the page right here, Pipiads is simply the perfect tool for product research, the best investment you can make for your e-commerce business to access the latest products and creatives of the moment. So it's definitely a popular platform that a lot of people really like. It's got great reviews and a lot of well-known dropshippers are using them in their business. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comment section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.